In this video, we're just going to go through some of the latest features within our MCP. So we've released support for a new MCP tool that will enable agents to create tests in Reflect. Rather than having to record tests from scratch in Reflect, we can take existing tests in other frameworks such as Selenium, Playwright, Cypress, TestComplete, and essentially import them directly into Reflect using our MCP. As you can see, I have no tests in Reflect right now, so let's just look at our MCP capabilities. And essentially, what we're going to use is Claude. I'm going to use TestComplete. I've already pointed Claude to a TestComplete project called Claude Test. And I'm just going to give it some context in terms of a prompt. And before we run this prompt, I'll just explain what this does. This prompt will look for the web test keyword test. It'll then convert that to Reflect and create the same test in Reflect. When it comes to the selectors that it uses, many automation tools come with dependencies like a POM file, or in this case, a name app. And that's essentially the object repository or reference for a certain object within a test. I'm going to tell Claude to use the name mapping file as the reference when it comes to creating selectors. We're just going to go ahead and run that prompt. And from here, we're going to see Claude connect to the SmartBear MCP and process the commands. And that is going to be looking for the two main artifacts, the keyword test and the name app. And from there, then it's just going to go ahead and create that test within Reflect. Great. So I'm going to allow this, and using the MCP, we're going to have a test created in Reflect, as you can see. Just to validate this, let's go ahead and open it up in Reflect. We'll see that this test was just created a few seconds ago. And from here, we can go ahead and run the test. So if I wanted to, I can insert the parameter based on what I was told by Claude. And I can go ahead and run this test live. Okay, so now we're just going to go ahead and run the test and validate that it works. And there we have it. That's how quickly it takes to migrate a test from TestComplete to Reflect. Give this feature a try and let us know what you think. Thanks very much.